In this video, I'm going to teach you how to play two controllers on Steam. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to easily set up any sort of controller that you connect to your PC through Steam. Steam makes it extremely simple to set up any controller model. This can be an Xbox controller, a PlayStation controller, Nintendo Switch controller, or even generic ones. Steam will automatically detect them and set them up for you. So whenever you choose a game, you will see this message telling you that the game will be playable with your controller, and you can do this with multiple controllers simultaneously. To set them all up, go over to Steam, open the launcher, click on Steam at the top left, and then access the settings. When you open the settings on Steam, go over to the controller tab, and immediately you will be able to set up your controller. So if it isn't connected already, go ahead and plug it to your computer now. You can do this one controller at a time, but to be honest, this isn't even needed. You simply have to make sure that the controller is detected and that you enable Steam input for all types of controllers. You can just go ahead and enable all of them, so Xbox support, Switch Pro, generic controllers, and so on. Once everything is good to go, find a specific game that you want to play, right-click it, and go to Properties. Now, just double-check the controller tab. Usually, this will be using the default settings. If you enabled Steam input support for all types of controllers, then you are good to go. But if you want to be absolutely sure that this will work, just enable Steam input manually. And once this is done, you can run the game through Steam with both controllers connected to your PC. Now, even if you are playing a game outside of Steam, as long as both controllers are recognized by your PC through a wired connection or wireless one, they should work flawlessly. There is not much secret to setting up controller in most games nowadays. As long as the game has controller support, both controllers will be detected without too much of an issue. But you can manually change the settings and see if they are working when you go to the controller settings, as you can see over here. So click on Controller Configurator and you will be able to change everything if you desire. I hope I was able to help you on how to play two controllers on Steam. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.